Is your SANSUI Smart TV with webOS screen zoomed in and part of the picture are cut off? In this video, I will show you 2 different ways to zoom out and get your screen back to normal. So first, try the quickest fix if you can navigate the settings menu. So you just have to press the settings button on your remote, then go to General and select Accessibility. Next, find Screen Zoom and turn it off from here. So you can see it's disabled and your TV screen should return its normal size. But if you can't navigate the settings menu because the screen is zoomed in middle, so you can try this instead. Just press and hold the home button on your remote for a few seconds, then press the up button once to navigate the zoom menu in the top left corner of the screen. And from here, you can adjust the zoom level as needed. Now to return the screen to its normal size, you can select the exit icon from here. And this will immediately close the zoom feature and restore the picture to its default view. And you can see your screen should immediately return to normal. So to help prevent this from happening again, just avoid pressing and holding the home button for too long, as that can accidentally activate the zoom feature. And that's it. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for staying tuned with Fix369 till the end.